Journalism and Mass Communication, Unit 4, Report Writing. News reports are classified into two broad types. They are straight news reports and investigative or interpretative reports. Straight news reports present what has happened in a straightforward, factual, and clear manner. They draw no conclusions, nor offer any opinions. There is no attempt to probe deeper than the surface happenings or to provide elaborate background information or even to examine claims made. The main sources are government officials, elite groups, news agencies, eminent people, businessmen, and others. Investigative reports would make an effort to go behind the claims and see how valid they are. Their reports happening in depth present fairly all sides of the picture in the context of the situation and generally put some meaning into the news, so that the reader is able to understand better and analyze the event. The essentials of good reporting are accuracy, balance, brevity, and speed. As loose writing and unverified details would create a number of difficulties, they should be avoided. Qualities of reporter. Among all journalists, the reporter is the most widely known and respected. A newspaper's reputation and credibility depend largely on its reporters. They can make or destroy a newspaper. They are the lifeblood of a newspaper, which educates and informs its readers on what is happening in the state, country, and the world at large. They are the purveyors of news and views objectively, without inhibition and without bias. Reporters are of four different categories. They are as follows. They are the city reporters, Mufassal reporters, national reporters or correspondents, and foreign reporters or correspondents. There are three kinds of reporters. They are reporter who writes what he sees, the interpretative reporter who writes what he sees and what he construes to be its meaning, and the expert reporter who writes what he construes to be the meaning of what he has not seen. A reporter has to be a good researcher, a tenacious detective, a bit of a lawyer, and downright nosy as well. The descriptive reporter must convey all sounds and shades of color as well as sequence of events solely by means of words. His words must convey all sounds and shades of color as well as sequence of events solely by means of words. Words must convey the right sense in the right order. The efficient reporter combines keen news sense with the power of adequate literary expression. The qualities of a good reporter are as follows. The reporter must be accurate. He must obtain unassailable information. He must go by the slogan, get it first, but first get it right. A reporter must recognize a story, must spot a story. In handling a story, the reporter must know the facts to seek their order of importance and where to find them. The reporter should have clarity of expression. The reporter must have the ability to express himself well, both in writing and speech. The reporter must have a pleasing personality. He must develop versatility in handling people. The reporter must work efficiently at top speed. He must be able to handle accidents, disasters, and other spot stories in the minimum time, or the story may miss the deadline. The reporter should strive constantly for originality in news gathering procedures, especially in investigative reporting. The reporter must know his new sources. He must know how to check names and addresses. He must know the ability to build contacts. He must know intimately person who can give authoritative information on every kind of story. The reporter must be in the good books of the police. He must have thorough knowledge of his area or beat if he is a city reporter. He must respect promise which he has made. He must not miss in his report direct quotes if they are made and form an important part of the story. Beats. The beat is the area allocated to the reporter. All beats require background, understanding of the subject, and constant touch with the subject. And sources. That is why newspapers allot beats to reporters and correspondents. In today's world of interdisciplinary approach, beats are not watertight compartments. In fact, for doing a report on an event or an issue, the reporter has to have information from many different beats. For example, crime, police courts, hospitals, and fields are different beats. But while dealing with a crime story, often the information has to be gathered from two or more of these beats. Kinds of reporting. Reporters cover a variety of assignments like accidents, court cases, crime, proceedings of legislatures, communal incidents, demonstrations, deaths, etc., besides political, social, economic, and cultural events and sports. Reporting accidents. In covering accidents, a competent authority, an identifiable official, sportsman should be quoted. The time, place, and cause of the accident, and if possible, an age witness account is to be given. The reporter should give the names of casualties only. If he can verify their accuracy, He should show respect to the dead and avoid horrid details. Legal complications would arise if a person is reported to have died but who is actually alive. The nature of accident should be described accurately. He must attribute his report to some authority. The source should be identified at the very start. The context in which the announcement of the accident is made should be mentioned.